beautiful people, my name is NdatseNdomo and welcome to my channel. No, you're not saying double. I'm dancing now. Yes. So hey guys, my name is Destiny and welcome to Ndatse channel. Today's video is a collab video between me and her, and this video I'm challenging her to do a full face makeup using just her hands and her fingers. They said your hands and your fingers are the best to some Ndatse girl. I want to see you put that to use. So guys, before this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there below. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it. And guys, after watching this video, rush down to my channel and see what challenge she's going to make me do. Like yes. So don't forget to head down over to my channel and see that. So with that all said, and Ndatse girl, I want to see you put your hands to you, girl. Give it to me. Oh yeah? Go do your makeup with your hand. I can't wait to see this video. I'm excited.
Give love is a mystery cause of all the heartbreaks written in your history. I know I'm the last guy you should give a minute cause I've lost count of the girls that I've been with. Used to call me
While Destiny has challenged me and she has helped me do an English intro, you guys know that I said I'm going to be practicing my intro in Arabic. So let me just use that to sneak this in here. Anyways, marhaba aizi wa aizizati ana Ndatse alan bikum fi kanati fi YouTube Itha kanat awal ma'ara lakum fi kanati fa alan wa salan marhaba. Oh my god, honestly I'm not trying to murder Arabic, I'm honestly just trying to learn, guys, so please don't take it personal. Wa salan. Anyways, ita kuntum muta'a bi inu. I love you so much. Wa shukran lekum. Thank you so much, Alan, my colleague, for teaching me how to say this Arabic intro. I'm completely barefaced right now. I haven't done anything. I haven't even done my eyebrows. And I don't know what Destiny is expecting. If she's expecting me to use my hands to do my eyebrow. So anyways, let's just go right into it. And I'm going to try to use my hands to do everything. But I'm going to brush this, right, Destiny? Yeah, I guess it just means like no makeup brushes. So I'm going to go in and brush my eyebrows. Normally I like to brush it up and then lay it down like this. Please, you guys check my description bar. I've listed Destiny's channel. Show her some love and some support. She's also doing a challenge by me using few products to do her makeup, and it's really fun. I'm sure you guys can tell by her energy in my introduction, so check her out and show her some love. So I think that is the last brush I will be using. So I'm going to go in with my LA Girl concealer, and what I'm going to try to do is, since I have long fingernails and I can't use my brush, I'm just going to try and use my fingernails to apply my concealer. Then I'm going to go in and place the remaining concealer on my eyelid. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my eyeshadow. You know what I'm actually going to do in this video as well? I'm going to be giving you guys some how to use one thing for another thing makeup tutorial. Actually, this idea was by my friend Bumi Obanawu, and she told me, she said, why don't you do a tutorial where you show people that are not really professional makeup artists or are just new in the makeup game how they can, like, you know, use one thing to do another thing. And trust me, I am the queen of doing that. Like, I am the absolute queen of doing that. And sometimes it's not because I'm being innovative. Sometimes I'm just lazy. Like, maybe my mascara is somewhere and I don't want to stand up. I'm just like, oh, let me just use something else. So yeah, so anyways, one thing you can definitely use to do your eyebrows is mascara. I can just brush out my hairs with black. And because most times I don't have like time to do all the shenanigans for work, like who does all that makeup to work, especially the kind of job I do. When I wake up in the morning, sometimes I just use mascara and fill in my eyebrows, and then that's it. So I'm just using this to show you guys. Then as well, you know, obviously you girls out there know the trick. You can use your mascara on your edges to make it darker. So anyways, why I even started this story was because I was about to do my eyeshadow, and recently I've been using my highlighter to do my eyeshadow, not because of laziness, but because actually I tried it and I liked it. So you can use your highlighter to do your eyeshadow. You can use your highlighter as a what else have I? You can use your highlighter below your foundation to make your skin glow. What else do I use my highlighter for? I use it as my eyeshadow majorly. So anyways, I'm not going to do anything extra because I'm using only my hands. So I'm just going to use my highlighter and my finger to spread the product into my eyeballs. Then you guys already know I use my eyeshadow as blush, highlighter, color. I use it for everything. I use it as lipstick. Sometimes I would apply the color and put lip gloss on top of my lips. Like, I use different things for everything. I think I'll show you guys in this video how I do that as well. So done with my highlighter eyeshadow. Just gonna put this blue here. Then take a little glitter. Struggles. I think I'm just gonna leave it like halfway. It's to Destiny. That's air. You thought you could challenge me, Abby? Challenge accepted. You know, I actually think I like the purple glitter. I know I look like a joke right now. Let's just carry on. Carry on, my baby, won't you carry on? Okay, so I'm going to actually use, because I don't like, how am I going to do eyeliner without this? Okay, I think I've spent enough time on eyes. Let's move on to the main thing. So for my foundation, you guys know how I normally do it. I normally drip, 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 drip. But since I'm not going to be using a brush and I want the product to, I want to warm the product with my fingers. Because there's something about using your fingers. Like I said for eyeshadow, there's something about using your fingers. The temperature of your body kind of warms the product, so it's easier to spread. I don't know if that's going to work for this foundation, but let's try it. Let's try it. And warm the product and then apply it. If you know me by now, you should know that I accept challenges and I need to prove my points to Destiny that you cannot come and challenge this girl and go scot-free. She's gonna show you that she can do it. And please watch her own challenge. Like, okay, let's do it this way, guys. Watch her own challenge, subscribe to her channel, and tell me who won. I'm doing the exact look I just complained about. I guess we are all not above it. I guess this is the makeup look for when you're really concentrating. So I think what I'm going to do with my setting powder is actually really warm the product with my hand. And then I won't bake, I'll just press it into the concealer. So, using this really dark shade to contour my face. I'm actually really loving this challenge. It's actually fun to do. Okay. concealer doesn't think so. Doesn't want to come out finally. So again, I need to warm the product. So I'm going to really warm it so that it's easy for me to apply. And I'm going to come here, the dark line. I'm going to really try and blend it. Now to blend everything out, I honestly don't know what I'm going to do. But I think what I will do right now is I will just clean my fingers once more and use my powder palette on my fingers and just apply everywhere on my face. Oh my god. Does my makeup look amateur? Actually, I think I nailed it. I mean, this is a hands-free challenge and it still came out well. It still came out smooth. The makeup is still nice, if I do say so myself. So yeah, anyways, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys have learned a thing or two. At the end of the day, in the back of my mind, what I actually learned is if you are able to do anything you put your mind to, and also you are able to manage the resources you have to do what you want and still achieve good results. So it's just about your mindset and, you know, how innovative you want to be and how creative you are, or how you want to be when it comes to doing things. I mean, this is just as simple as makeup, but you have been able to prove to you can actually do your makeup without using any brushes, and I think it came out well. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys learned something. Yes, I'm sure you did. I hope you guys have learned a thing or two. Thank you guys for watching, and until my next video, guys, I'm NdatseNdomo on Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, and of course YouTube here. Love you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to go to my girls channel. Don't forget to go to my girls channel. I'm gonna put it somewhere, probably in my description bar. Don't forget to check it out. She has a challenge. I challenged her to do her makeup with only 2 or 3 products, and she has done it. So don't forget to check my girl out. Let me know who won this challenge. I know I won it. And see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Be my queen. I will be your king and I will meet your